Alright, if you accidentally blocked somebody or you blocked somebody but you change your mind, this video will teach you how to unblock somebody on Snapchat in 2022. So first off, we want to click on our icon in the left corner and then navigate to the gear icon, which is in the right corner. So just press on it and here you will be given all of your information. Now what we need to do next is scroll all the way down, and the fourth option from the bottom going up says blocked. So if we press on it, as you can see, it will show you a list of all of your blocked Snapchatters. Now I'm just going to show you that this actually works and confirm this. So I'm just going to block somebody. This is the unfortunate individual. I'm going to block them. Now, if we go to our list, again, I repeat, we click on our icon, then to the right, scroll the way down, fourth option, blocked. As you can see, now we have somebody showing here. And if we want to unblock them, all we have to do is click on this and unblock. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.